The Galaxy S9 rival, everything you need to know about Samsung's foldable Galaxy X. Samsung's first foldable smartphone with multiple screens could put a phone and tablet in one into your pocket with some pretty amazing features, if the Galaxy X arrives as expected. Samsung looks set to reveal its rumored Galaxy X foldable smartphone soon to help start a whole new trend in the world of folding phones. Samsung won't be the only one to jump on the foldable phone trend, as Google, Apple, and more are also rumored to be working on their own foldable phones for 2019. The Samsung Galaxy X should be a 3-screen device that works as a normal phone but then folds out to operate like a tablet with a big clear screen. Samsung has been working on flexible, folding and bendable screens for a good 7 years now, so seeing the Galaxy X appear soon won't be a huge surprise. The screen manufacturing company has shown off bendable displays, concept foldable phone videos and allegedly a prototype model already. So what can we expect? Samsung Galaxy X foldable phone release date and price. The latest rumors suggest that Samsung is gearing up to launch its Galaxy X foldable phone as early as February 2019. This launch is expected to happen at the Mobile World Congress 2019 trade event, where the company usually launches its Galaxy flagship handset for the year. This fits with other rumors that the flagship Galaxy S10 will be released earlier, at CES 2019 in January, to make way for the new Galaxy X, which will get the limelight. Pricing is very difficult to guess as nothing specific has leaked. However, rumors suggest this first model will be made in limited numbers, so don't expect them to be cheap. Think iPhone X £999 price or higher. Samsung Galaxy X foldable phone display. Samsung appears to be working on a device that sports three 3.5-inch OLED displays. This would suggest one sits on the front when folded and the other two fold out into one large display of around 7 inches. What isn't clear at this stage is if the large display will have a line where the hinge folds out to join the two screens. If they were two bezel-free screens, this might look near seamless. Samsung has previously showed off rollout screens, but these were just prototypes with no touchscreen components involved. Samsung Galaxy X foldable phone specs and features. Since Samsung has allegedly chosen MWC 2019 to launch this phone, it'll want to be a flagship spec-toting handset. A lot of costs will go into this totally new type of device, so expect high-end specs, but perhaps not as new as you'd expect. A current Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor backed by up to 8 GB of RAM seems likely, meaning it'll be plenty fast enough to run multiple screens while remaining battery efficient. The camera may suffer as a way to keep costs down, meaning a single rather than a dual rear snapper, likely the 12MP camera from the current Galaxy S9. For all those screens there will need to be a large battery, so expect at least a 3,500 mAh unit with fast charging, of course. Whatever the end result, this will be an exciting new category of mobile devices and the potential future of smartphones and tablets.